In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to turn on sync in Google Chrome. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, we need to open our Google Chrome. So you just have to click on here if you have pinned your Google Chrome at the taskbar, or either use the search bar and search for it and navigate to the best match and click on open. And then that way you would be able to bring up the Google Chrome browser. Now here at the Google Chrome, you need to navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it. And eventually this right pane would appear. Scroll down and go with settings, which has this gear icon. Click on it and kindly wait until you would be navigated to the Chrome settings itself. Okay, so here in my case, I have already turned on the sync in my Google Chrome. That's why it marks here turned off. But in your case, if you haven't yet, then it will mark here turned on. So click on it. And if it will ask you to type your password or your Gmail account or password, just type for it and then go with click on yes if it will ask you to turn on the sync. And in that way, you would be able to turn on the sync here in your Google Chrome. Okay, so by that you can proceed to the sync devices, and here you would be able to see this one. You can also manage what you sync by clicking here, and that way you'd be able to manage on what you sync. So it could be sync everything, or you can customize sync and just identify those data that you would like to sync, either apps, bookmarks, extensions, and more. Once you're good, close the window, and there you have it. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.